It's a Tokyo Marui Gold. It's the best in the West. It will blow a hole in your balls bigger than your fucking eye socket.
God damn, boy. So tell us more about it.
It's a beautiful weapon. Of course, it costs money. And the women like it too, because it kicks ass.
Oh, yeah?
Good little pistol.
Okay.
This thing is the kind.
The kind?
The kind.
What the fuck does that mean?
The best.
The best of the best?
The best of the best of the kind of the kind.
Oh, yeah, what's that thing on the barrel there? On the bottom
right
rail.
there?
On the bottom rail, yeah, what is that?
That's excuse me, I had something on my tongue, some hair. That's a laser.
It's a laser?
Beam.
Damn. What is it for, like, fucking waving down aliens?
Shooting them.
It's for shooting aliens. Damn.
It's for getting them right on target.
How much does that cost?
Oh, those probably cost $100 maybe.
Oh, yeah?
Depends what you get.
And how much is the gun?
Depends what you get on the gun, what you want.
We'll show the other side of it. Why don't you fucking push the slide release? What the fuck? You're gonna break? It's a slide release.
I know it is. I'm not used
Right
to
here,
the
look.
camera. I'm not used to the camera.
There you go. There you go. Let's see that mag. Pull that magazine out of there.
Oh, shut up. It's right there. What the hell is it?
You don't know how to take the magazine out?
Yes, I do.
Alright. Come on.
I can't see with these glasses on.
Alright, get back up here so I can see you. You're reviewing the gun now. No, you just don't pull it.
Oh, there we go.
Nope, nope, nope. Nope, 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 nope. Right here, Bubba. Come on, man.
That's what I was looking
Nah,
at.
yeah, okay. How many do you think that holds there?
That holds about 25 rounds.
There you go. What color laser does it shoot aliens with?
Red.
Red. Fucking A. What else can you tell us about that bad boy? Oh, show them the fancy grip on there.
Oh yeah, the fancy rubber grip. That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Does it feel like rubber?
Yes.
Does it?
Feels good.
Oh, okay.
I think it does. It feels really comfortable.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is very nice.
How many people have you shot with it?
Ooh, I don't count. Bunch.
You don't count? Damn, you must kill a lot of fucking motherfuckers with it.
Not very many. Fuck, man. This fucking thing, I touch it, it's falling apart.
I think you hit the mag release, but...
Yeah, somehow.
And show us how you shoot people. Put the slide back. Let the slide down.
I got an itch on my shoulder. Yeah, I know.
Let's hear the sounds. How do you do it? You gotta let the slide down. Slide, man. How many times I got
I did.
No, you didn't.
Look, I'm not gonna tell you how to use your own gun, buddy. Well, I just bought it. Okay. Slide. There you go. how do you shoot aliens? Let's see it. Come on, fully automatic. Fully automatic. No, you ain't gotta pull it back. Just ba 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 ba. No, just like you're killing aliens with your red laser. Just go ba 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 ba. How does it do fully automatic? Do fully automatic. How does your fully... Just fucking do that and fucking do your fully automatic. Just go fully...
So what is that again? The Tokyo Marui gold match?
Tokyo Marui gold match. Yeah. Say it with... The West.
You gotta do the side. Oh, that's pretty cool though. That's a cool gun you got there.
25.
25?
Bullets.
Oh yeah. So that's Bradley's reviews. Or what are these for? These little notches out on there.
Those little notches.
Yeah, why do they do that on there?
That's... I don't know.
Well, you own all the guns and you know everything about guns and stuff.
Not on this one.
No? Maybe that's for special alien sights. Maybe
When you put a gun sight on it.
Oh. Probably like an infrared sight on there?
Yeah.
And it probably slides into these sideways?
Yeah.
Probably slides sideways and has a...
Locks in.
Probably like a 3200 zoom in scope.
Yeah, and it probably is about that long or something.
Oh shit. Yep, that's probably what it is. So what would you rate that pistol?
Dangerous.
Oh, I mean out of a 1 out of a 1 to 10.
Duh. 1 to 10?
Yeah.
9.
A 9? Hell yeah, that's pretty good ratings there. How about stars? How many stars out of 5?
Out of 5? 4.
Good job, man. That's probably what I would have said too. Cause look at the gold on there, you know, and these rubber grips.
And the rubber,
you know?
and the laser,
and then the extended scope mounts on top. The red laser, that's got to cost a lot, you know.
And the black finish.
Yeah. Heck yeah, man. All right, well, say peace out.
Peace out
to all the airsofters out there.
To all the airsofters out there, and have fun and live it up and enjoy.
All right, you guys, if you liked his reviews, give it a thumbs up and let me know if you want to see more.